Google is rolling out two new Gemini-powered features inside the Google Maps, and if you haven't updated the app recently, you are missing them. The first lets you to literally ask Maps a question, find me a lunch spot nearby, and get a real answer. No active navigation required. The second one is complete visual overhaul of turn-by-turn driving with a 3D building, smart zoom, and clear lane guidance. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what they do, how to turn them on, and where they're rolling out first. So let's get started. First, we have Ask Map. You will find Ask Map in your web Google Map or in your smartphone Google application. If you not able to get that, you have to update your application. So right now I'm using my laptop, but if you are on phone, you can access and directly in main tab. So for the laptop, on the top left corner there is a button of Ask Map, so you can ask question, set up a plan for you. For example, I haven't visited New York in my lifetime, so I will ask him a question that, hey, I am visiting New York tomorrow, please give me some places where I can eat some good food and places where I can visit. So let me just send this and it will spin and see what is the locality and see what are the recommendations. He will see everything. Now he has given me this skyline observation and bright lights. So this is the place where I can visit. And then I have Times Square, which is very obvious. And then he had given me this historical landmarks, green spaces. And then we have Rockefeller Center and as well as French American classics for the eating. So he has given me some recommendations. So I can check it out by just clicking on them. It will open this bar where I can see their menu, what I can eat, and also I can see reviews as well. So he got around like 8,000 reviews, nearly 8,000 reviews, and it seems good place to me. Now, next is in the mobile application, you can directly, because it is powered by with the Gemini, in the mobile application, you can basically talk with this Ask Map. Now, one of the best use cases which I like about it will navigate as well as, for example, yesterday I wanted to eat something like South Indian food. Now I can just simply click this best dosa within a 15-minute drive. So it will track place and around within the radius of my 15 minutes, it will give me some suggestions. There we go. He tracked my current location, and then from here it also navigated the hotels. So and he has given me this route where I can just simply start direction and start driving towards that restaurant. So this is one of the best thing I like about this. I don't need to go and add address on Google Map and then reconfirm it whether the restaurant is correct or not. So this is a 4 minute away from my place, and this is the second restaurant which is 10 minute away from my home, and then 11 minutes. So these are the use cases which you can use for navigation. And the second one, which is one of the best till now, but right now this is not available in India and it is only available in the US. And if you are an US user, you can access navigation bar, basically navigation bar into your mobile phone. With the help of this, it will basically turn this boring map into 3D application, 3D map, where it will accurate navigation. First of all, you have to understand that Ask Maps is a different and immersive navigation is different. Immersive navigation turns this 2D map navigation into 3D, and Ask Me basically you can talk to Gemini and basically you can talk to directly with your map. So whatever you want to search, you can directly search through voice. If you are in US, you can go to settings and from there navigation, and you have to just turn your 2D to 3D. So right now I did not get any option right now because it is not available in India. But if you're in the US, you can just access this feature. So if you ask me what is the advantages and what will change after using immersive navigation, first of all, buildings and trains render in 3D, making it easier to orient yourself in unfair areas. You can see through buildings and smart camera zoom keeps more of your upcoming route visible. So You get more warning before the lane changes. And one of the best thing about this is it give you more accurate lanes, streets, traffic lights, and stop signs. So you can basically navigate in a very 10 easily. You can navigate very easily. Also, it provides you voice guidance, which sounds more natural. And then entrances and nearby parking lots are clearly marked. So it is live in USA, and it's only eligible device iPhone 13 Pro and up on. So if you're Android starting, you can use it in Pixel 9 and Samsung S24 Ultra. So yeah, this is the overall two update which Google gives you. So first one is Ask Gemini, and the second one is this immersive navigation. So that's all for today's video. And if you like this video, subscribe to our channel.